These will be the top links in the back. So all right, I found some screws and break into my little kit. Everybody should have a little kit like that, guys. When you're doing builds, sometimes you get the wrong screws, sometimes you don't have enough screws, sometimes you want to use different screws. There's all sorts of reasons, right? So, whoops, that's not right. I'll cut that. So I found some screws, and we're going to use these screws. They fit perfect. For some reason, those ones were a little, wanted a thread different. These ones fit in there so much nicer. And I put that in the wrong side. You're supposed to go like that, right? So this one needs to go over here. You guys are supposed to be helping me. Yeah. These little 124s are, they're fun to build, guys. They're a little tedious. Gotta be patient. Things go wrong, stop. That's why you see a couple little breaks in there, you know, in those videos of mine. Yeah. So that'll be like that. That'll be there. Yep. I haven't tightened everything all up. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to post this video first. And then see if you guys want me to Loctite all this stuff in or not. Or if people want to make changes to it. I don't want to put Loctite on everything and then it'd be hard to take apart. But I'm definitely going to have to Loctite all this stuff. But if I Loctited it now and I test fit and everything, all this aluminum, and then some people might not like the Loctite. They might just want to it to be loose and tighten the screws up every once in a while. That's all you got to really do, you know. Just make sure you go over your car and check it out. Tighten all this other stuff up because we don't need to really mess with it no more. Before I forget. Okay. I still got to put the spacer in on here. Bring that in. piece in, but we'll do that. Let's get this front ones in here. So it should go like that, right? Then we'll put this one here. Some of these are touchy. Get in the hole. There she goes. And if it doesn't start right, I'll show you on this other one. If it doesn't start right, if you do the screw backwards, you can feel like a little click if you're going forwards and it starts getting tight and it doesn't feel right as you're starting it. So if you take a screw, and you screw it backwards and you push in and you can find it right there. I don't know if you heard that or not. Let me go back all the way around again and see if you can hear that or not. Hear it click. I was pushing in and going backwards at the same time, and that's where the thread starts. So then it should go in nicely every time. That's a little trick to some of you guys don't know. If you're having a hard time getting it in there, you just go backwards until you hear that click, and that's 99.9% of the time is where the thread starts, so it pops in there perfect. Especially if you start doing it and it's, you know, if it's starting a cross thread or something like that. I don't like how this one's sitting, but I guess it'll push over because it's flush. No, it's not flush there, is it? I guess it will once I put that in. Okay. There it is. So this, we're going to put this back together. You guys saw I did that. We'll just do that real quick offline here. Okay.
That was an ugly hit.
All right, guys, there we go. Got the tranny motor installed. Everything's installed. Got the links installed. I'm hoping that's how we got the links installed. Get the high clearance links. So yeah, there we go. Well, see how that's got it on there. I don't know why I keep putting it in a bag, just to keep it clean, I guess. See if we can get that thing to sit up there a little bit like that, huh? What do you think, guys? I think that'll fit right in there. You'll be able to see that motor just a hair. We'll have to. That could be just. We'll have to see where everything lines up there. I wish I had a couple more of these. I think we need one in the front and one in the back. I might have to buy some other little stuff for it. But there we go, guys. I'm going to finish this video here. It's going to be a long one here because I'm going to have to cut it all up and all that. So, and we'll start another one. I think we'll put the axles on and get the axles and get it turned into a roller here. And then get it set up where we can get the shocks on and put the body on there and see how the body fits and try to get that body to fit right. So, there you go, guys. Please like, subscribe, and you'll have a great day. And don't forget, $20 a ticket, link down below for my PayPal. Yeah, all that stuff will be down below. So you guys can click on it. Like I said, $20 a spot. We'll do, if you get 5 in a row, so if you spend $100, you get an extra ticket. You know, you get an extra spot. If I'm not going to do it if you buy 5 throughout the whole time or something like that, because I'm not going to count everybody's thing up. But if you do it at once, you do 5 spots, it's $100, then I'll give you an extra ticket or an extra spot. I keep calling them tickets, but I'll give you an extra spot. Okay, you get this receiver with it, so it's going to come ready to run. I'm not sure about the battery. You guys might have to supply your own battery, so I don't have to ship the battery, and it doesn't have to be all. But the batteries are pretty cheap. It's not the cost that I'm worried about. It's the shipping cost. You know, the shipping when you ship batteries and stuff. So usually puts everything on hold. So if you can get your own battery, it'd be much better. Much better and easier for me to ship it. Okay, or you get it a little faster too. You know, it might sit in customs if you're in Canada or wherever. So, all right, and it's going to be open to everybody. That's why I'm going to collect a little bit more money for the shipping cost. You know, I might win on the deal and I might lose on the deal. You know, depending on where it's got to be shipped. So, that's why I'm doing probably a little more than what I should be for cost wise, but it'll all work out in the end, I think. So appreciate it, guys. Like I said, thanks for watching. Have a great day.